Looking for the best bone marrow transplant hospitals in India? Discover the top 10 hospitals with high success rates, advanced facilities, and frequently asked questions answered in this comprehensive video. Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurgaon is known for its high success rates in bone marrow transplants, supported by a multidisciplinary team of experts. FMRI is a trusted healthcare provider with advanced facilities and a patient-friendly environment. Medanta, the Medicity, Gurgaon is known for its high success rates in bone marrow transplants, backed by a team of skilled professionals. This hospital offers various bone marrow transplant options, including matched unrelated donor transplants and pediatric transplants. Apollo Proton Cancer Center, APCC, Chennai has a high success rate for bone marrow transplants, thanks to its experienced team of hematologists and state-of-the-art facilities. APCC offers both autologous and allogenic bone marrow transplants, catering to a wide range of patients' needs. Artemis Hospitals, Gurgaon has a proven track record of successful bone marrow transplants, with excellent patient outcomes. Artemis Hospitals provides various bone marrow transplant options, including matched unrelated donor transplants and autologous transplants. Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai is a leading cancer care center with a focus on bone marrow transplants, boosting high success rates and quality outcomes. With a legacy of excellence in oncology care, Tata Memorial Hospital is a trusted choice for bone marrow transplants in India. Max Healthcare, New Delhi has a track record of successful bone marrow transplants, supported by a dedicated team of specialists. Known for its patient-centric approach and advanced facilities. HCG Cancer Center, Bangalore is a renowned healthcare institution with high success rates in bone marrow transplants, backed by a skilled medical team. Known for its compassionate care and comprehensive facilities, earning trust among patients and families. Yashoda Hospitals, Hyderabad, known for its high success rates in bone marrow transplants, supported by a team of experienced hematologists. This hospital offers a range of bone marrow transplant options. Aster Medcity, Kochi has a strong track record of successful bone marrow transplants, supported by a multidisciplinary team of experts. Nanavati Max Super Speciality Hospital, Mumbai has a reputation for high success rates in bone marrow transplants, supported by a team of experienced specialists. Frequently asked questions, FAQs, in the healthcare industry. What is the success rate of bone marrow transplants in India? Bone marrow transplant success rates in India vary depending on factors such as the type of transplant, patient's age, underlying condition, and the expertise of the medical team. However, many hospitals in India have reported success rates ranging from 70% to 90% for various types of transplants. What are the different types of bone marrow transplants offered in India? In India, hospitals offer various types of bone marrow transplants, including autologous transplants, using the patient's own stem cells, allogenic transplants, using donor stem cells, and haploidentical transplants, using half-matched donor cells. What is the cost of a bone marrow transplant in India? The cost of a bone marrow transplant in India can range from $16,000 to $35,000 or more, depending on the type of transplant, hospital chosen, duration of hospital stay, post-transplant care, and additional medical expenses. How long does it take to recover from a bone marrow transplant? The recovery period after a bone marrow transplant varies from patient to patient, but it typically takes several weeks to months for the immune system to recover fully. Patients may experience side effects such as fatigue, nausea, and increased infection risk during the recovery phase. What facilities should I look for in a bone marrow transplant hospital? When choosing a bone marrow transplant hospital, look for facilities such as dedicated transplant units, advanced diagnostic equipment, experienced medical staff, infection control measures, psychological support services, and comprehensive post-transplant care programs to ensure a successful outcome. How WDI Medical Tourism helps in bone marrow transplant in India? WDI Medical Tourism is a leading medical tourism company that helps international patients seeking medical treatment in India. Was founded in 2010. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information. Thank you for watching.